dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
The People Democratic Party has challenged the Edo State governorship candidate of the All Progressive Congress, Mondo Obolo, to debate with their candidates. As we heard, moving on after this, we have the People Democratic Party yesterday said that the September 21st gospel election in Edo State would serve as a referendum on the All Progressive Congress misgovernance in the country. But guys, before I commence fully, welcome back to my channel. As we dey give una back-to-back updates and information as they hot. If today is your first time to join our wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever I will drop our video. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. So my people, may we dive into the main story. The People Democratic Party has challenged the Edo State governorship candidate of the All Progressive Congress, Mondo Obolo, to debate with their candidate, Aswe Ihodalu. The Independent National Electoral Commission has set the Edo State governorship election for September 21st. The APC, the PDP, and their candidate, Mondo Obolo and Aswe Ihodalu, has already started campaigning in every corner of the state. The PDP National Publicity Secretary, Debo Olubunaba, at a press conference on Sunday said their findings indicated that Aswe Ihodalu was receiving significant support from the public and he's on track for a decisive victory. He said that they are challenging the APC candidate to make himself available for media interview and scrutiny, that if Mondo Obolo is indeed putting himself for public office, that he should make himself available for public scrutiny. He said Mondo Obolo should stop running away from the media if he has anything to offer to the good people of Edo State. My people, don't be small matter. The PDP insists that Mondo Obolo should make himself available for a public debate. Honorable Debo disclosed that the PDP was conducting a vigorous issue-focused campaign that had reached every corner of Edo State, that this is evident in the organic crowd and fellowship in their rallies across all the wards in the state. So where the majority of Edo people, including prominent members of the APC, have publicly expressed support for their candidates. They have also observed that in Edo State today, that it is their candidate that is campaigning. Aswe Ihodalo's popularity and acceptability by the majority of the people of Edo State have dumped, and incapacitated the APC and their candidate, Mondo Obolo. Debo Olubunaba stated that the APC candidate was avoiding campaign or interacting with the public because he recognized that he could not compete with Aswe Ihodalo. They also said that Mondo Obolo lacked the capacity and competency and substance to offer to people of Edo State. PDP, they say no wonder the APC candidate has been avoiding the media and town hall engagements with the people of Edo State because he is afraid to be confronted with the issue of lack of capacity and allegation of forgery of voters' card and birth documents, which he has failed to respond to. Hey, my people, don't be small, wow. I mean, this governorship election, they say Senator Mondo Obolo no come out to debate with other candidates or even come out to interact with the people of Edo State. They say because Aswe Ihodalo's popularity is overshadowing his own incapacity. My people no be small while. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your opinion, your contributions in our comment section below. Let's make the comment section lively. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. The Democratic Party yesterday said that the September 21st governorship election in Edo State would serve as a referendum on the All Progressive Congress misgovernance in the country. The party also faulted the Supreme Court judgment on the financial autonomy of the local government administration, explaining that it was unconstitutional and inconsistent with the 1999 Constitution, especially on the constitutional provisions that stipulated that there should be a joint account between the states and the local government. The party said that they have set up a committee to review the judgment and consequently advise it. At a press conference, the National Publicity Secretary of PDP, Debo Olubunaba, said that Nigerians and indeed the people of Edo State were waiting patiently to pass judgment on the APC for bringing such misgovernance, maladministration, that never in such history of Nigeria has such misgovernance and maladministration brought on the people, coupled with high level of corruption. The Nigerians are waiting and watching with APC governorship candidate in the state, Senator Mondo Obolo, who is running from pillar to post, invading meeting the people. Because, like the national body, the party in Edo State and its governorship candidate have nothing to offer. As they are aware, they are now on the home run for September 21st governorship election in Edo State. And their candidate, Dr. RI0US, is coasting to victory as he is enjoying the support and solidarity of the overwhelming majority of the people of Edo State, including across all party dividends. So their party is running a very robust, issue-based campaign that has penetrated the nook and crannies of Edo State with a detailed people-oriented manifesto of that is resonating with the people of Edo State, as it embodies their aspiration in every sector of life. So they are saying that this is evident in the organic crowd and fellowship in their rallies across all the wards in the state. And the majority of Edo people, including prominent members of the APC, have publicly expressed support for their candidate, Dr. RI0US. And they have also observed that in Edo State today, it is their candidate that is campaigning. RI0US' popularity and acceptability by the majority of the people of Edo State have dumped and incapacitated the APC and their candidate, Senator Mondo Obolo, and they have realized that they have no prospect in the election. The APC leaders like Adam Soshimole are now engaging in peddling lies and forcefully claiming that the PDP candidate has been disqualified in order for them to pave way to Mondo Obolo. But go work, because no matter how they cover Mondo Obolo, that in secret go still open. My people don't be small, but so guys, I would like to know your thoughts. Your contributions, your opinions are in our comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. But if you haven't subscribed to our page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the latest news happening on social media. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for staying to us. To all our viewers out there, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next, stay safe guys. Bye for now.